Good afternoon, dear students. Myself, Professor Smith Thakur. Today, I am here to discuss a syllabus of our GTU 6th semester mechanical engineering subject applied thermodynamics. As per GTU, the subject code is 3161910. So today we are going to discuss in short a syllabus of applied thermodynamics. So basically, it is a 6 credit subject. We can see here there are 4 lectures per week. We have to, you can see here in syllabus there are 4 lectures and 2 practicals. Okay, so there will be a 150 marks of total subject, in which 70 marks of theory paper. Examination will be of GTU, 30 marks of Viva and 30 marks of end semester mid-sem examination and 20 marks of internal examination or internal marks of your term work. Okay, so basically there are we can see that there are 7 chapters in this applied thermodynamics subject. First one, now this subject is applied thermodynamics. You studied the subject engineering thermodynamics. Now that engineering thermodynamics जो सब्जेक्ट हमने पढ़ा है उसका एप्लीकेशन, व्हाट इज दिस एप्लीकेशन of this engineering thermodynamics, that's why this subject name is applied thermodynamics. So first chapter is properties of gas and gas mixtures. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to see Avogadro's laws, van der Waals equations, reduced property laws, correspondence states, etc., that we will study basically in this 4th introductory chapter. Then second chapter is the psychometry chapter. Okay, so based on this psychometry we will study different processes, humidity, okay, humidity, sensible heating, sensible humidity, heating and humidification, dehumidification, etc. All the process we will study in this particular psychometry chapter. We will also learn how to use psychometry chart in this chapter also. The third chapter is refrigerant and refrigeration cycle, in which we will study different types of refrigerant, its classification, उसकी nomenclatures and its properties, वो सब systems देखेंगे हम उसकी. Then we will see the different refrigeration cycle like vapor absorption cycle, vapor refrigeration cycle, lithium bromide cycle, aqua ammonia cycle, etc. cycle we will study in this particular chapter. Fourth chapter is fuel, air and actual cycle. In particular this chapter we will study about air fuel cycles and different processes in different cycles like Otto cycle, diesel cycle, dual cycle. Effects of these different variables also we will study in this particular chapter. Fourth is the IC engine performance and its emissions. So measurement of indicated power, brake power, friction power, all the measurement that is related to IC engine performance that we will study in this particular IC engine chapter. Okay, and sixth chapter is the fundamental of compressible flow. Here we will study the phenomena of compressible flows particularly in this chapter. And then last is the reciprocating compressors, in which we will study about its construction of working of centrifugal compressions as well as axial flow compressor. So this way, this is the syllabus is designed by Gujarat Technological University of this applied thermodynamics subject. It is very interesting and it is the professional core subject in mechanical engineering as per the new syllabus designed by Gujarat Technological University. So from tomorrow onwards we are going to start our first chapter, properties of gases and gas mixtures. So I will share all the video lectures based on this syllabus to you. Okay, so please go through this syllabus and be ready for this applied thermodynamics syllabus from tomorrow onwards. Thank you so much all. Please give your enrollment number in the comments, so we will mark your attendance. Thank you so much.